Dear student, this is your maths teacher, 11th standard business maths, continuation of your algebra. So before starting the exercise, small Einstein quotes, right? So education is not the learning of facts, right? Fact, education is not the learning of facts. It's rather the training of the mind to think. Rather, the training of the mind to think. So, how to make your mind to think? That is in your hands. But only think we can give the idea. So, here we are starting today with the permutation. The permutation is nothing but arrangement. Okay, permutation is nothing but arrangement. So, how to define your permutation? The number of arrangements that can be made out of n things taking r at a time is called number of permutation of n things taking r at a time. Suppose you have 3 pen. Okay, you have 3 pen. In that you have to arrange 2. That is called your permutation. How to arrange? This is format 1 and this is format 2. Okay, so this is called your permutation. And what is the formula for permutation? Is NPR. This notation of NPR. You have n pen and that you are selecting or arranging 3. So the formula is given by n factorial. This is read as factorial. So n factorial by n minus r factorial. Here you have the results. 0 factorial is nothing but 1 and np not equal to 1. np1 is also n. npn equal to n factorial. So this is all 1 mark question. Suppose you have repeated things. What is repeated things? Like beads and coins, like that, right? So the number of permutation of n different things taken all at a time when repetition is allowed is n power r. n power r. That is called your formula of permutation of n repeated things. When permutation, next one, the permutation when all the objects are not distinct. Okay, suppose you have the same letters like permutations, right? So how to find the permutation is n factorial by b factorial into q factorial. So what is your denominator? Suppose you can take any word like success. Okay, the total number of letters is your numerator and the repeating letters factorial we have to divide. Success, you have some repeated letters, right? So that is, the first one is one type, the second one second repeating letter. Like that we can go into the more number of different words. Okay, now here the next one is circular permutation. The permutation of n things along a circle is called a circular permutation. Okay, so we have to frame a circle with n numbers. So the circular permutation of n different things taken all at a time, the factorial is n minus 1 factorial, right? The circular permutation. At the same time, you have the number of circular permutation of n objects taken all at a time is n minus 1 factorial by 2. So here what is n minus 1 factorial? Here n minus 1 by 2. So here your clockwise and anti-clockwise plays a vital role. Here clockwise and anti-clockwise is that is no different. Suppose you have the number of beads in necklace, right? Necklace is round and the beads is round. We cannot find out the difference between the two things. So the formula is n minus 1 factorial by 2. So you have to understand, if you can identify the different, the circular permutation is n minus 1 factorial. If clockwise and anti-clockwise is no matter, you have to follow n minus 1 by 2 factorial, right? We have the question related with that. And the next one important concept is plays a vital role in our competitive exam is rank of word in dictionary. The rank of word is a dictionary is to arrange the word in alphabetical order. In this dictionary, the word may or may not be meaningful. So no meaning at all, right? So that is called your rank of the any word. So here you have the one of the important repeated question. Find the rank of the word rank. So how to find the rank? In your textbook you have different method. I am going to explain you in different method. So first you write the word in alphabetical order, A, K, N, R. And here you write the word. and here you have to give the number like 1, 2, 3, 4. This is your order of the numbers. So write the top of the letters, the order of the number. After that, you see the first number is 4. So after that, how many numbers you have? 1, 3, 2. So the three numbers are less than 4. So I am writing 3. It is clear? First I have 4. The 4 is more than these 3 number. So I have 3 numbers, so it is 3. Next letter is A. The number is 1. 1 is the least number when compared to 2 and 3. So the less than 1, here no numbers. So it is called 0. It is called 0. Like that, n is a third number. But after that you have 2. So we can write it as 1. And k is no letters after that. So it is called 0. So you have to write the respective factorial. So what is factorial? You have to always start with the 0 factorial, 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial. The values are 6, 2, 1, 1. So 3 factorial is 6, 2 factorial is 2, 1 factorial is 1, and 0 factorial is also 1. So it is clear? So first you write the letters in alphabetical order and place the numbers in the top of the letters and find the number of letters with less value. So here it is 4 means 1, 2, 3. You have 3 less numbers. Here 1, after that no less number. So it is called 0. Here 3, after that 1. So the product, next I have given these two product you have to find. So 3 into 6 is 18. 0 into 2 is 0. 1 into 1 is 1. And 0 into 1 is 0. After that you have to write plus 1. After that you have to write plus 1. Therefore, the rank of the word is, the sum of the values is 18 plus 1 plus 1 is 20. You have one more example, is chart. So in the order A, C, H, T. So A is 1, C is number 2, H is number 3 and T is number 4. So 2 is the first number. After that I have 1. So here 1. Here H is 3. So after that I have again 1. So that is 1. 1, no letters, 4, here also 4, like that. 0 factorial, 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial. So again the product, it is 6 plus 2 plus 1. So the rank of the word is 9.